Tayo Ahli. I am an aquarium from Begawan Learning Center. Recently, we had an awesome experience at a special cooking class with Chef Eka from Buahan, a Banyan Tree Escape resort. Do you know that cooking healthy yet yummy food is possible? Yeah, in this class we learned how we made great tasting chicken noodles and enjoy a refreshing iced butterfly pea flower tea using ingredients from our permaculture gardens. We also got to know more about the role and responsibilities of a chef. The class took place at SMK PGRI Payangan, which had a big space and a professional kitchen. Chef Eka guided us and made sure that we put safety first. Begawan Teenage Student and SMK PGRI Payangan students helped us cook. It was super fun to cook and even more fun to eat together with all our friends. Sharing a meal is amazing. I think I might want to be chef in the future because it's so interesting. Oh yeah, Chef Eka has something to say.
Very fun. Jadi bagus sekali untuk membangkitkan gairah anak-anak kecil. Jadi dari sekarang kita sudah bisa meyakinkan kalau makanan yang sehat itu dan organik itu mesti ada semua betul-betul kita jaga dan kecil.
Thank you Chef Eka from Banyan Tree Escape Resort and SMK PGRI Payangan for the amazing experience. It was truly memorable. See you later.